How to trade draft picks in ESPN Fantasy Football. Hey Fantasy Football fans, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade draft picks in your ESPN Fantasy Football League. This feature can really give you an edge in your league, so let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into the correct account and league where you want to trade draft picks. Once you're in, select Football and then choose your league from the list. Tap on League at the top of the screen, then scroll down and select League Manager Tools. This section is where you can manage all the important aspects of your league. Next, tap on Trade or Propose Trade, and this will bring up a list of all the teams in your league, and then select the team you want to trade with. After selecting the team, you'll see an option to include players and draft picks in the trade. To trade draft picks, tap on the Draft Picks tab, and you can now choose which draft picks you want to trade. Simply select the round and pick number you're willing to trade away, and then select the round and pick number you want in return. Once you've added the draft picks you want to trade, review the trade to make sure that everything looks good. If you're happy with the trade, tap on Propose Trade, so the other team manager will get a notification to review and either accept or reject the offer. And that's it, you've successfully proposed a trade involving draft picks in ESPN Fantasy Football. Trading draft picks can be a game changer, especially if you've got your eye on a particular player in the upcoming draft. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.